एग्ज़ाम में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है? अगर आपको सब कुछ आता है और आप ठीक ढंग से लिख नहीं पाते तो ये भी गलत है। तो लिखने की कला क्या है वो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ विद्यार्थियों। कुछ लोग सफलता के सपनों को केवल नींद में देखते हैं और वही लोग सफल होने के लिए कार्य करते हैं। हम सफलता की महत्वता को तभी समझते हैं जब हम अपनी असफलताओं से कुछ सीखते हैं। हर दिन एक नई सुबह होती है, हम तो आपको केवल जगाते ही हैं।
Good afternoon, dear audience. Today, we are here to have a conversation about the forthcoming 10th and 12th board examination to discuss some tips with one of the most senior faculty. We have Mr. K.L. Malhotra, sir. So, sir, let us first discuss about some preparation strategies.
Okay, Sambhav. First, preparation strategies. First of all, create a study plan, make a schedule and stick to it. Allocate time to each chapter or you can say each subject. Then focus on the weak areas. First of all, students, try to find out your weakness and then concentrate on improving such areas. Then practice with sample paper. This is very important. Practice with previous year board question papers to get familiar with the exam pattern and the type of question. You can also use online materials. Utilize online materials, videos, apps to supplement your learning part. This is about the preparation strategies.
Sir, as you have advised to allocate our time effectively. So, sir, can you please help the students to how to do that?
Okay. About the time management, we have manage your time wisely, allocate time to each topic, very, very important. You can also use timer to simulate the actual exam experience and then focus on the very important or the key topics of your each subject. Any other? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, so one of the most important queries which students have ki how to remove their distractions so to ace their board examination.
Okay, Sambhav. First of all, your one book, that is the NCERT book. I generally say in the class 12th classroom कि अगर आप एक किताब पढ़ लेंगे ना, that is NCERT your Bible, तो आप एक तीर से 3 निशाने मारेंगे बेटे. Now in the NEET exam always comes from the 11th and 12th NCERT, very important. Then you can also qualify CUT exam, clear, and then very important board exam naturally. The NCERT book must. Then beyond the NCERT you can also refer your reference book or other materials, clear. And before going to the online resources, first of all you must read the NCERT.
So
Next.
sometimes online resources might not be that मतलब इतनी वो वैलिडिटी नहीं रखते हैं, तो कैसे हम वैलिडेट कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन रिसोर्सेज?
You make a parallelism between your curriculum and the online curriculum, and the extra part which is not in your syllabus, please don't go through that part.
All right. So, sir, now, for example, now we have prepared for our exam. Now, what to do on the exam day?
On the exam day, keep calm and focused. Take deep breath. Try to relax. And remember, you have prepared very well. Read the question paper very carefully, understanding the questions and instructions. This is very important before answering. Then very important, manage your time effectively. You have 3 hours, 180 minutes. Manage your time very effectively allocate time to each question or each subject, each you can say section. We have the section 1, we include MCQ and assertion reasoning question. Section B, we have the 2 marks question. Section 3, C, we have the 3 marks question. Then section D, case-based study question of 4 marks. And then section E, we have the long answer type question. So allocate time to each question and each section. Then very important, at the end, review your answer. Check your answer before submitting the papers in the examination hall.
Definitely, sir. The first 15 minutes of the examination are very important, as I have also given my class 10 board exam.
Yes, Sambhav, yes.
So it is very helpful. All right, sir. So any additional advices you have?
Additional tips, take, very important, keep calm, very important. Then eat well, exercise regularly, take enough sleep to maintain your physical and mental well-being. This is very important. Then you can also take the help of your parents, teachers, friends when you are struggling in some topic or in some questions. Be positive, believe in yourself and your abilities. So now always remain motivated to achieve your goals. This is very important.
So anything you have to motivate the students in order to...
Now special you can say tips for the class 10th and 12th. The focus on the fundamentals. Ensure you have good command on the basic concepts in each subject. Then practice with sample papers. This is very, very important. Somehow apart from these tips you have asked very carefully, I answered. देन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एग्जाम में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? अगर आपको सब कुछ आता है और आप ठीक ढंग से लिख नहीं पाते तो ये भी गलत है. तो लिखने की कला क्या है वो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं विद्यार्थियों. लिखने की कला क्या होती है? परीक्षा भवन में आप लिखेंगे कैसे? तो जब भी आप लिखना चाहते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आप यकीनन एक टॉपर विद्यार्थी हैं तो मैं यकीन के साथ, विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूं आपको 90%, 95% या 100% आपको प्रश्नों के उत्तर मालूम होंगे. लेकिन हम लिखेंगे कैसे? परीक्षा भवन में आपका बॉडी पोस्चर क्या होगा? ऐसे आप पीठ को सीधा करके बैठिए, आपके पांव जमीन को टच कर रहे हों, देन पेन को अपने हाथ में अच्छी तरह से ग्रिप से पकड़िए और आपके आर्म के अंदर, बाजू के अंदर पूरी मूवमेंट हो. इससे स्पीड भी बढ़ेगी और आपकी राइटिंग भी बहुत अच्छी आएगी. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड एट द लास्ट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कुछ लोग सफलता के सपनों को केवल नींद में देखते हैं और वही लोग सफल होने के लिए कार्य करते हैं. हम सफलता की महत्वता को तभी समझते हैं जब हम अपनी असफलताओं से कुछ सीखते हैं. हर दिन एक नई सुबह होती है, हम तो आपको केवल जगाते ही हैं. तो कीपिंग काम, फोकस्ड, मोटिवेटेड इज द की टू परफॉर्म वेल इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. गुड लक स्टूडेंट्स.
Very well said, sir. Thank you. This conversation will definitely help many 10th and 12th students to ace their board examination.
Thank you, Sambhav. Good luck, Sambhav, to you.
Thank you.